Muttom Residence is an ancestral property of Dr. Ronnie. It is in Thodupuzha, Kerala. And this Tharavad is situated in the center of this rubber plantation. It was a great feeling to understand that Dr. Ronnie wanted to preserve his Tharavad. He could have easily demolished it and built a new structure. It has certain elements which bring in that home feeling. A lot of his siblings were abroad. They all have that sentiments or feelings to it. So when they come from different parts of the world, they should get that feeling of home. So I wanted to be that person who is preserving that for them. And I feel very happy I could give that to them. This Tharavad has two entries. One is the main entry through the veranda, which has charipadi on either side. It is a common thing what we see in the traditional Christian Tharavad. We see this entrance passage. Then we enter the dining room, which has a lounge on the left side and pantry on the right side. Even though they have such huge space, it was very difficult for them to bring in any utility to it. There was no natural ventilation and the functionality of the space was very less. So what we did was we cleared spaces. All these small rooms, we removed it and introduced larger spaces. So they are able to use the space in a more functional way. We introduced a lot of natural materials, natural stones. For this veranda, imprinted Jaisalmer has been used and black granite has been used. Few things we could restore is one is wooden ceiling. When we scraped the ceiling, it was of good wood. So what we have done is we buffed it, repolished it and kept it as it is. There is a formal living room and a small prayer space. And adjoining that, it is the other entry where we can enter directly from the car porch. And there is a long passage connects the new house and this existing Tharavad. All the rooms were in different levels and the parents were also getting old. It was very difficult for them to access each space. Then we made all the spaces in single level so his parents can happily walk inside. Parents had the sentiments for this place. They always come and sit here for their daytime because this is a place they used to sit as in Tharavad. How much ever the generation changes, everybody has this passion for their tradition and culture. That is the ultimate feel for every individual. That is where home is.